Godrej presents Eon Audra washing machine, equipped with a turbo 6 pulsator and AccuWash drum that is strong on dirt but gentle on clothes, giving your clothes the perfect washing experience. Available in a 6, 6.5 and 7 kg capacity. A 5-star BEE rating for optimized energy consumption and higher savings. The wash tub is made of stainless steel. It ensures a hygienic wash and also prevents bacterial growth on the tub. The appliance uses a turbo 6 pulsator that has 6 ridges that create strong water motions inside the tub for better penetration of detergent and easy dirt removal. It also features a quick wash, that is a 29-minute wash program for mildly soiled laundry. The toughened glass lid provides enhanced strength to the unit. The machine's thoughtfully designed 9 wash programs are carefully programmed to wash your clothes depending on the stains for an effective wash. The child lock function prevents keys from getting accidentally pressed, avoiding any interruption to the wash cycle. The LED digital display shows the remaining program time and allows user-friendly access to the machine's features. Available with a 2-year warranty on product and 10-year warranty on the motor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Whirlpool WHITEMAGIC Royal Washing Machine. This washing machine is available in 6 kg and 6.5 kg capacity variants. Whirlpool Royal, a fully automatic washing machine with 6sense smart sensor technology, senses the laundry weight and recommends detergent to avoid under or overdosing. The smart sensors in the machine automatically sense and indicate low voltage and the water condition. This machine restarts automatically after any voltage or water fluctuation and continues the cycle from where it left off. The easy-to-use 1-2-3 wash system ensures a complete wash cycle and can be operated with 3 simple buttons. This washing machine comes with Spiral Wash action, which gives better cleaning results. The advanced wash motion gives a superior load movement with better rollover. This ensures a more uniform wash for all the clothes in the machine. It has an express wash option which reduces your cycle time by 30 to 40% compared to regular cycles. The machine also adapts its operations while washing clothes with hard water. This maintains the softness and color of your clothes. The Whirlpool WHITEMAGIC Royal Washing Machine comes with zero pressure fill technology that fills the tub faster even when the water pressure is low. It is a 5-star rated product providing resource efficiency for both electricity and water. And it comes with Eco Wash program which helps you save more than 2 buckets of water with every wash. This product comes with 5-year warranty on motor and prime mover and a 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card or via net banking. For further information, visit the product page.
sterilizes both inner and outer tub by removing leftover detergent and assuring your tub doesn't smell unpleasant. This machine can take care of itself when it malfunctions. Through your smartphone, it will troubleshoot and give you the steps for repair, saving you both time and money. This quiet and super reliable washing machine is backed with a 10-year long warranty on the motor and 2-year warranty on the product. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung top-load washing machine. It features stylish design, magic filter, waterfall and air turbo. Its stylish design with enhanced round edges is complemented by the diamond drum, which ensures damage-free wash, and an intuitive LED control panel, which is easier to see and safer to use. To keep your laundry perfectly lint-free and cleaner, the magic filter is positioned low in the washer. Unlike the ones in conventional washers, it traps lint effectively, no matter the water level. It's easy to clean by simply detaching and dusting. Waterfall provides powerful water spray falls for a thorough rinse. It distributes water and detergent evenly for a perfect cleanse. The air turbo drying system allows air to be drawn in through dual vents, creating a whirlwind of drying power. It spins hard and fast, so you can save your time and dries excess moisture by circulating air.